welcome to math class. So in this past week, we've been doing a lot of learning about line segments. Can anybody tell me what type of angle line segments can make? Let's see, just take a minute to think about it. We've talked about 3 specific types of angles. Katie, do you have an idea?
Acute, obtuse, and right.
Right. Do you know what makes up some of those angles? How we determine what an acute or a right or an obtuse angle looks like?
For a right angle, the angle is 90 degrees.
Right, it's 90 degrees. So we know that, what does 90 degrees look like? Something like that, right? 90 degrees. You can make a little square right there. How about an acute angle? Do you remember what an acute angle looks like?
It's smaller than 90 degrees because it's cute.
It's cute. And that's a really good way to think about it because if we're thinking an acute angle, so it's hard, it's just an arbitrary word, we can think about keywords within that and decode the word. So you see the word cute, and usually we think tiny things are cute. So it's something that's less than 90 degrees, right? Good job. There's one more type of angle, but for that, I want everybody to get up, and we're going to do that one together. Everybody up. So we're going to use our arms and our legs. Let's just shake it out and get moving before we get into the lesson. Now, I'm going to shout out an angle, and I want you to make that angle with your arms, okay? So let's make an acute angle. Yeah, so we're less than 90 degrees, right? Now let's make an obtuse angle. That's big. It's like you're going to hug someone. It's a huge angle. Now let's make a right angle. Great job. Great job. Okay, let's take a seat now. So we've been learning all about these types of angles, and it's so great that you guys have built that knowledge. And now I want you to take that one step further and apply what you've learned about angles to shapes and different angles you can find in shapes. So let's take a look at this square mirror right up here. Now, if I wanted to divide this square into 2 triangles, how might I do that? Do you think I would put a line down that way? Probably not, right? Because what shape would that make?
A rectangle.
Right, a rectangle. We want triangles. So, Katie, where do you think I would put the line on this square? Maybe tell me when to stop my hand. We just want to make 2 triangles. And then I would stop here, take it corner to corner. So this is one triangle. This is my other triangle. Now, what type of triangle am I making?
You're making an acute triangle.
An acute triangle? Why do you think, what part is an acute triangle?
That part's an acute triangle.
This part right over here? Good job. What about this part over here?
A 90-degree triangle.
A 90-degree triangle. So we have an acute angle right over here, a right angle right here, and then what would this angle be?
That would be acute.
Acute. So if we have a triangle with 90 degrees in it, like we do right here, we're going to call that a right triangle. Now an acute triangle is something else. So how about we try dividing the square into 4 pieces now? So we have the half here. If I need to split this up again, I'm going to take a line, cut it right that way. So now I have 4 individual triangles on my mirror. Now, if I was trying to figure out what the angles were on that mirror, what might I do if I know that this angle is 90 and I'm dividing it in half? What type of equation might we do? Let's all take a minute, jot it down in our notebooks and write either a division or a subtraction equation for how to find this angle. All right, thumbs up if you wrote something down. Katie, what'd you write down?
You can do 360 divided by 3.
360 divided by 3. Why might you do divided by 3?
Because there are 3 sides of the triangle.
Okay. So is that going to find you the total length of each individual angle?
Maybe.
Maybe it will. How about another idea we should throw out there? Let's see. If I was going to do this, that's a good idea. We're just, because you are making that connection that 360, that's how many degrees we have, right? But if I'm trying to find just this one angle, and I know it's 90, and I know I'm breaking up into two parts, what I might do is do 90 divided by 2. So let me write that on the board. 90 divided by 2. And does anybody know how many times 2 goes into 90? Let's work on our mental math here and take a second to think about it. Katie?
45.
45. So what do you think this angle is? Now that we know 90 divided by 2 is 45, and we are and we have four triangles.
45.
45. So we have a 45-degree angle here, a 45-degree angle here. What kind of angles are 45-degree angles?
Acute.
Acute. So what we're going to call triangles with two acute angles, we're going to call them acute triangles, because we're not going to just label them as angles, since we're looking at the entire triangle. Good job. Now, if you're ever having trouble thinking about how to identify different triangles, we're going to use this little jingle when I get up. So we're all going to clap our hands together. All right. Every triangle needs 3 angles. A right triangle needs to have 90 degrees. An acute triangle needs to be tiny. And an obtuse angle gets to be the biggest of them. Woo!
Woo!
And that's it.